Hello, I basically cut my Fender off to do an eleminator job for my Ninja 250R. What I did is took a dremel, cut around the edges here, which is this line, and made that smooth. Then I took the wiring off of these, unbolted this screw, and then the wire pulled back so you can take this one off. Same on the other side. Constructed myself a bracket, bought an LED light from eBay which mounted on the bracket. Then those two bolts underneath here are that one and that one, and basically the fender goes in. And you've got yourself a Fender eliminator.